Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you a website which uses the peer-to-peer technology in order to make audio and video calls on the internet. The website link is given in the video description. You can just go to this website, live website, which is called as linkello.com. So now in order to create your audio and video call, you need to give it a title. Let's suppose I give it a title of programming. And then from this drop down, either you can select only video or only audio. Let me just select the video here and click the create button. So as soon as you click this button, it will give you this unique link which would be valid for 24 hours. So now whichever person who wants to join this call, you can just copy this link address and send them by email address or share it. And if I open this link inside the browser tab, you will see it will ask for your name and then you can join the call. Simple interface. It will ask for your camera permission and mic permissions. So just grant this and you will see your web camera popping in. So there are a lot more options available. You can even chat here by text chat, I mean. You can even share your screen as well by clicking this button. So this option will come in. You can share your entire screen as well by, if I click share here, you will see it will share my entire screen here. So you can see that. You can even stop sharing like this. And if I want the second person to join in, I can again copy this link and paste it. And similarly, you will ask for the name. Let's suppose I change the name to John. Click join the call. So now you will see the second person will join in. You can see that. So in this way, you can see that the second person has joining in. So the lag is pretty less. I have seen this website. If you want, I can just paste it for the third time. The third person can also join in. You can see. Again, it will ask for the name. Let's suppose I provide the name Hardy and join the call. You will see now three persons will be joining in. It is kind of a Zoom clone. You can see you have used the Zoom video chatting kind of application. I think this linkello is better because the lag is pretty less. Lag is not there. You can see if I want to leave the call, you will see that person will be removed and you will got the notification that John has left the call. So only two persons will be there. Let me just paste it 5 times more. Again, if I paste it, so you can have up to 10-15 persons can chat at one time. This website supports. I have done that. So you will see multiple people will be there.